give us some more words about Frankfurt, the next opponent in playoffs?
I cannot. I mean, they changed a very important person. They changed the coach. So I did not have a time to see and what is going on. All I can say is what I have already said. This team is coming to Berlin to beat Berlin. I mean, this is not a team that is, now let's play this quarterfinals. No. They are coming, try to go through Berlin and try to win the championship, like they tried to win the cup, like they tried to beat everybody. I mean, I think we will have enough moments to discuss the playoffs even later on. I think we should focus on the game. It was a good game tonight, strong game by Rudisburg.
Coach Pavicevic, you've seen a lot of basketball games in your life. Have you ever seen a call like this call against Stefan Hamann, who was called for flopping? I've never seen anything like it in basketball before.
Look, I've seen it. You make this call to a person that you really disrespect, to a person who is maybe coming like junior of 15 years, first time in the league, and is behaving badly. I would never, ever anticipate that this first flopping warning and then the flopping technical is issued at the best German national team player, who is well known for his quick footwork and establishing these offensive charges. When he was playing for the other club, his hometown team Bamberg, these were always for sure charges, sometimes even when it was in between. What we have here with Stefan, we have him as a situation that he is being shut on every little situation. He's been called fouls, he's been called flopping warnings, I even saw the reversed call when one referee calls the charge and Mr. Lotto Moser last year comes in and changes it into a foul. I saw Stefan getting hit in Bamberg and getting technical for it last year. I saw Stefan getting here in O2 Arena being hit by Goldsberry with two pushed down the floor after being first talked irregularly by the player whom I respect and his spirit. But instead of being thrown out by the definition, again Mr. Lotto Moser decided to give both players a technical foul, assuming that somehow it must be that Hamann provoked Goldsberry. Not seeing it, for us, this is not a new situation, and I think that that's how you have this now, a really reaction from the very European and German respected club of Alba, where it looks to protect their integrity, their investments, like players, and their program. Now, this little thing just shows one of the aspects that I have seen in 3 years. But this is not my job. My job is to coach. And I'm trying to build a game that will win the championship for this club. But the championship is being very difficultly won if certain persons who can influence the game are coming with their mind made up to take away, if possible, some things from one club. And this is what Alba has been facing since I'm here. I was talking about this after we have won the championship. By the way, the same referee, help me,
Weicher.
Mr. Weicher, showed up not first time for Alba Berlin. Last year, the first game against Bonn home when we lost, had more than 20 very difficult calls, including the last call on Jacobsen, who got the rebound and he called the foul from him and took the ball away and gave it to Bonn to have 2 free throws on Strass. Before that, I don't even have to tell you how many counts we saw. This man has been coming up to hunt down Alba in many occasions. But there is no answers to the open talks, like not buru, what do? We have a situation, bad losers, I don't know. We're not talking like this. We are high professionals. We work hard, we come back and we say, hey, this is very wrong. What's wrong? We don't get any answer. We get a sympathy, but false sympathy next time around comes back worse. I mean, this is the first time that I saw somebody acknowledge, actually, Stefan Haman's first game for Alba Berlin at home against Artland last year in front of 15,000 sellout. He was killed immediately as an Alba player. 3 times not being called a foul, called flopping. He immediately lost his status in this league, the one that we approached him for and the one that he was having when he was playing for a different team. And by the way, it didn't happen only to Haman, it happened to the other teams, that players who came from the clubs of the other league into Alba Berlin. It's a strong fight, and it's not easy to be a pretendant on the title on the strong team. But this is one thing that Alba has to fight. For me, as a coach, I gave you my comment on your very good observation. I maybe even stretched it a little, but for me and my players, the only thing that we have to do is to really stay focused and let the people of the club try to protect their own interests and investments, to protect this beautiful house and these beautiful people who are coming to cheer for Alba all the way to Vitoria. So nobody comes into their home and steps on them and mistreats them. This is the job, a difficult job that Alba has to do. There is, of course, we cannot anticipate solutions so soon, but I really think that in time, the people will see the reason and see the effort that this club is doing, and that at the end it will be respected in a proper way.
Hat noch jemand eine Frage?